check this out. Oh yeah, I think it has unlimited vertical. I think it would have just kept going. It is fast too. Okay, so that was about 75 to 80% throttle on that big huge loop. I have my XK A280 P51D Mustang out here today, and I have converted it to 3S. Finally had time to sit down and convert it to 3S. It's a fantastic plane on 2S with that 7x5 prop that I recommended for it. But let's get out here and see how it performs on 3S. And I do have a different prop on it. I felt that that 7x5 prop was probably just a little bit too much on 3S. So I've cut my prop down a little bit. All right, let's get out here. Launch into the wind. Launching. Okay, well, that was 50% throttle. How about that? 50%. Okay, we are in gyro mode now. Let's see what we've got. So far, so good. Alright, I'm going to come back around. I want to see what kind of power we've got on 3S with this setup. Ready? Go vertical. Oh man, that's definitely got some power. Oh man. Oh, I think it's winter turkey dinner here. Let's see. That is really, I think, you know, I think that I am going to have to dial my rates down a little bit now, because it is moving through the air a lot faster. Yeah. Alright, let's see here. Holy cow, I'm not even going full throttle, guys. I'm not even going full throttle. Alright, let's see from a slow start. Ready? Oh man, that was from a slow start. Alright, I want to go vertical with it again. I just want to see here. Ready? Holy cow, that is unlimited vertical. It looks like unlimited vertical to me. I finally just pulled back on the throttle and pulled it through. Man, oh man, that is awesome. That is one powerful P51D Mustang now. Fast too. Holy cow. I couldn't believe I was able to launch that at 50% throttle. It took right off. Oh yeah, that's got some speed now. Oh man, this was definitely worth the effort. Look at that. That was effortless. Okay, let's take a look at a split S maneuver. Oh man. Oh man, oh man. That is awesome. I'll have to see. I'm pushing it pretty hard. We'll have to see what the battery situation is after my 5-minute timer is up, but I certainly haven't been easy on it. That is sweet. That is very sweet. Boy, I'm surprised. This prop that I've got on here has turned out so well. That matches up. If I get decent amount of flight time, that prop is really matching up well. This is still the stock motor. The stock motor's got more torque than I thought it would have. I think if I remember correctly, it's an 1806, and I think it's a 2000 kV. And I was wondering if it was going to have enough torque to be able to spin this prop fast enough. Well, that's definitely not a problem. They can definitely do that. So now what I'm wondering is, and I'm starting to get my haptic, guys, and I am still going vertical with it like that. That was a huge loop, and I wasn't even, watch, that's about 75% throttle there. That is awesome. Okay, so I'm starting to get my haptic, so I want to bring it in before anybody comes down the road here. Bring it in, see if we can get it on the ground without hurting it. Oh, oh! I thought I hit a rock. I thought I was going to have a sweet landing there, but no, hit a rock. All right. Oh man, I tell you what, I am really, really happy that I performed that 3S conversion. Okay, I want to put some more flights on it. First, I want to come up here and see how much juice is left in the battery. You guys saw me flying it for, let me see, it looks like I'm over. I'm not that much over. It was 5 minutes plus, but let's see what the timer shows and then see how much juice we've still got in the battery pack. Okay, so I had it in the air for 5 minutes and 11 seconds. All right, now we'll pull the battery and put it up here and see how much juice we still have in the pack. So that was a pretty hard 5-minute flight. So let's see here. I'll see if I can hold it up here where you can see it. Oh heck, look at that. 3.73, 3.74, 3.73, almost 3.74, and I pushed that hard. I mean, there wasn't a whole lot of mixed mode flying going on there. It was mostly just performing aerobatics and doing speed runs. But so I still had over 3.7 volts per cell, 5 minutes. So I think I could push it that hard and get a 6-minute flight out of it, at least a 6-minute flight, leaving 3.6 volts per cell. Or if I did more mixed mode flying, I get a 7-minute flight out of it. I think for the amount of power, and it looks to me like it has unlimited vertical. Did it look like that to you? Because I mean, it was just, I just pointed it straight up, and it would have just kept going. I'm really happy with the power system. I'm really happy with the amount of flight time. That's a wrap on this episode. Stay tuned, and I'll see you next time in the TinkerzLab.